Hey guys, your girl Flower and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review the color quartet or quartet ng Choo Choo Beauty, yung kanilang eyeshadow palette. So I'm so excited to review this. Kung gusto niyo para tong video na ito, just Choo Choo Beauty released a new product. So it's an eyeshadow palette. Yung teaser nito posted by Choo Choo Beauty is very Hannah Montana concert album vibe. So this is the one. So this is the Choo Choo Beauty quartet or quartet palette. So it has 6 shades. So I got one. So kinuha ko ay si Choco ulit. So I'm gonna swatch this to you all. Wait. This is champagne. This is champagne yung shimmers. Correct. Champagne, nougat, nutty, and cinnamon. So this is a chocolate shade sa Choo Choo Beauty. So I want to make an everyday makeup look that is perfect for beginners. So I'm gonna use this shade to transition my eyes at first. Okay, this is a good color. This one is a good color, by the way. This one is a good color to start off your base on your eyeshadow. Next color that we're going to do is to intensify this part. We are going to use the cinnamon shade. Okay. Ang ganda ng mattes, guys, in fairness. It's so easy to use. Etong product na to for beginners. If you're a beginner of makeup, then this will be a perfect opposite, or I should say this will be a perfect product for you to start with if you are just new in makeup. This is the best way. Then we're going to smoke out konti here sa gilid lang para may konting intensify sa gilid lang yung darkest shade para may intensify kahit pa paano konti yung eyelids natin. Gusto ko yung ganito lang. Then yung simple, gusto ko ganitong effect ng eyeshadow ko. Then we're going to use the shimmer shades. Lagay natin sa gitna ng ating eyes. Then we're gonna blend this all over my eye. Simple as that. Gusto ko yung ganitong type for beginners only with this kind of palette. Okay, one of the best for beginners na eyeshadow palette ng Choo Choo Beauty. So I like this Choco Owlet na shade na ito. So kaya ito pinili ko kasi gusto ko mag-make tayo ng everyday na pwedeng gamitin na for everyday na makeup look or perfect for night look o yung ganitong style ng simple eyeshadow makeup look. So this is a good product. So many releases of eyeshadow palettes this year. Nasa eyeshadow palette era tayo. Sunod-sunod yung mga local brands releasing very good quality na palettes. And this Choo Choo Beauty nailed it. They released one of extraordinary na eyeshadow palette. So this is must. So you better try this right now, and I'm sure you'll not disappoint with this one. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.